NVIDIA's stock started the day strong, up about 5% after they reported really good results after the market closed yesterday. But now the stock's down about 2%, and people are wondering why. And the question is not about last quarter. It's about what happens over the next few quarters. And the question isn't necessarily about NVIDIA. We know the products they make. We know what Jensen Huang has said about their demand for the future. But let's be honest, the artificial intelligence boom and infrastructure build-out is not built on solid footing today. Companies like CoreWeave, Oracle need to take out debt to be able to afford to buy NVIDIA chips. The market is starting to question if they're going to be able to do that, especially as we got the release of Gemini earlier this week. That Gemini product is really phenomenal. And I think it's going to actually pull people away from OpenAI and from ChatGPT. If that's the case, if OpenAI isn't able to build a sustainable business model, isn't able to meet those $1 trillion plus in performance obligations that they put out over the next 6, 7, 8 years, that's going to directly impact NVIDIA. And we've already seen a rise in inventory. We're starting to see those margins go down just a little bit. And if NVIDIA isn't able to hold their pricing power as you get more competition coming into the market from Alphabet, from TPUs, from Amazon's inference chips, there could be pressure on NVIDIA. That's what investors are thinking about today. It doesn't mean that NVIDIA is going to be a bad company 5 years from now, but it does mean that you need to look at what's the valuation and what's the expectations built into the stock. Because 5 customers account for over 60% of NVIDIA's revenue. If those customers cut back their spending at all, or they're moving to other products like TPUs, if Gemini is a hit, that's going to be a huge challenge for NVIDIA. That's what investors are thinking about. That's why the stock is down. It's not just about results yesterday.